Can't really see my sweat like.
Told you.
You can see it's damp there. This thing is soaked all from right here.
But it's like,
and on my back, it is soaked. You can't see it. I wore a lighter shirt just so y'all could see it. But I guess the way, I don't know. I can't
my
see
sweat set up.
Yeah, it's wet. Okay, can y'all see it? I think I can see it better like that if I fold it. Oh yeah, now you can see. Because when I stretch it. Yeah, I'm soaked. Like that from the back. All up in here. And I need to go to the store. Anyway. I wore my Keisha K Orbit today. Sweat like she tell you to get to see the best sweat results, wear it around your clothes. And that's what I did. I burned 810 calories, an hour and 3 minutes. That's it. Alright, talk to you guys later and bye.